Yeah, what's up? One more time, friends. You know what I'm talking about now. We're talking about the trend. This is the only place we come and talk about the trend. There's nothing I talk about, but I'll talk about only the trend. You know, now let's go. I said, what should you be looking at? You know, this is what I said in one of my video. I think it's my recent video. I said, this is what you're supposed to be looking at. Okay, but it only depends on how you are looking at it. You know what I'm talking about? This is what you should be looking at, but it only depends on how you are looking at it. You understand? Now let me show you something. I said, when you take a time to look at the naked chart, or you look at the forex trendy, you know then you get a big idea of where is the price going. You know where it's going. Now, if you looking at this, you know, if you looking at this inside the support resistance of 500 period, I know why I like this support resistance 500, man. You know, and you put a trend line like this and you see that it's going up. All right. But then what is going to happen in this type of case is that we put a zone that, yep, we are trading inside this small zone right now. And the only characteristics of uptrend is to break the upper, what is this? The upper range. Okay. It's going to break the upper range. That is the qualities and characteristics of uptrend. You know, so how do you follow this type of things, my boy, my boy? How do you follow these? You know what? Look at, if you follow in this naked chart and you want to have a peace of mind or rest of mind that, okay, you don't want to be chasing. You know where the market is going and you know the characteristics of that trend. Uptrend is going to be breaking the upper range. Where is the range? This is a range. A range. Oh, a correction back to the trend. A range. This is a range. This previously used to be the highest high, before there was a breakout of it, and that gave us this longest leg. That is the characteristics of uptrend. And exactly what happened here, breaking this range, is exactly what is going to happen right here. It's going to break this range and this long leg will continue. So I said, when you now take a look at the forex trading itself, then you get the idea of where is the trend going. You get the idea. Then you come to your chart and you choose to do this that I've done. A 500 period support resistance, a naked chart, and then just following by breaking zone. This is another zone. So if you choose this way of trading, I want to ask you a question. Does it not make you feel like you are trading with peace of mind, and the only thing you care about is waiting for result, and you go out every day smiling and doing what you like doing? You come back, you see your price, your profit has increased, instead of you chasing, confusing this and that. Now, I don't know if time is going to permit me to show you another second way of doing this type of things. Maybe I will do this in another video. You see, I'm out of time, so definitely I'm going to do this in another video. But anyhow it is, check under this video. You will see the link to the support resistance, and you will see the link to the forex trending itself. You understand? When you get something that shows you about your own progress, why not get it? Why not get it? You got all the roadmaps you need on my channel. You see that my channel, you get all the roadmaps of everything you need to progress